Hi, so you're on WhatsApp and got you. You know, post COVID, there are three things that you have to keep in mind about this whole WhatsApp experience. One, that you are going to have what I call screen withdrawal symptoms. When you don't have as much screen time, I mean, these days, look at it, you are getting more WhatsApps from people than you ever got ever before, right? Lots of forwards, lots of stuff. I mean, people are glued to it. Now, when you don't have that time because you have to commute to office and back, and suddenly you have a time crunch, you're going to miss that screen. Don't let that happen to you, because it can be another kind of mental virus. Let it not catch you. Second thing, right now you feel you've got too much time. Actually, it's not about time. You can't even measure time. Time is been there before you and after you. It doesn't know you exist. What you can measure and manage and control and do something about is your energy. So this is the time when you want to actually learn how to not fritter away the time, but use it to build your energy. And you can do that by learning meditative practices like Qigong, which I teach online. Or you could just do meditation and stuff like that, which will give you good returns because you create new habits in this period. And those habits are going to serve you. The third thing, again, coming back to WhatsApp, is that do not forward stuff, because, unless you have met the person whose stuff you're forwarding and you know it firsthand, there is no way of going back into the source. And if you can't go back to the source, it's just gossip. And just as you wouldn't like to gossip or with people around you, it's not considered a good habit, right? You wouldn't like to gossip online. So save us all those forwards of what's happening here, what's happening there. If you've got a joke to share, you've got a song, this is my WhatsApp number, send it on.